Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to use the base logarithmic function on a transformation to find the logarithm base 4 of x plus 1. So let me come over here. And we'll start with a graph of logarithm base 4. And the nice thing about all logarithms is there are some key points that we can use to manipulate. So all logarithms, so in red, I'll do f of x equals log base 4 of x. So at 1, the logarithm is going to be 0. And in this case, because the base is 4, at 4, we'll say 4 is here, logarithm will be at 1. And logarithms can't be at 0, so they're asymptotic to 0. So this function curves off this way and is asymptotic to x equals 0. So we have this asymptote at x equals 0. And what we want to do is the function we want to look at is log base 4 x plus 1. And so what I'll do for log base 4 x plus 1, I'll do that in green. X plus 1 is a shift to the left. And in this case, what we're saying is when x is 0, it will have the same value as the initial function when x was 1. So this point here is going to shift to the left 1. This point here will shift to the left 1. And the asymptote will shift to the left 1. And that's enough information for us to graph our new function and have it asymptotic. And so we can come through and answer the rest of the questions that are asked. And it asks, where is the asymptote? So the asymptote will be at x minus 1. And then we're asked for the domain of the function. Well, it can't be negative 1. So it's going to have an open interval from negative 1 to infinity. But the range still comes from negative infinity off towards positive infinity. And so the base function gives us the form, and then in the shift lets us generate the new function.